What's going on, guys? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you want to watch my live streams every single day, make sure you're in my Discord and click the WAP link in the description below. I'm going to be probably raising the price to $50 or $60 soon because I've been getting some trolls in there recently, and I want people very laser focused in there and want people who want to learn. Okay, so if you want to get in, I'm going to change that probably in a month or so for 35, and you can literally watch my live streams every single day. Today I did do a free one. Today I was 1 for 1. Alerted a 20-point move, executed on stream this morning. So we had a really nice live stream today. And I called a bunch of other stuff, obviously, as you all know. But there's that. And then the other thing is, if you want to use buy an Apex account, okay, which is a really, really, really cheap account. There's a 71% off sale. Use the code in the description. Okay, I'm gonna paste the code. Just use that code in the promo thing before you buy the account. And again, get a couple. What I do with those is I literally just test out strategies, and hey, you might even get funded on some of them. Okay, so again, really good practice, better than demo. All right, so today's video is gonna be more of a psychological video. So whenever someone says, "Okay, you need more screen time," all right, here's what the point of saying that is, and here's what I mean. All right, I'm gonna kind of go. So I'm gonna use me as an example. That was a great example. All right, so I'm gonna pretend to be me when I used to never have screen time. All right, and this is gonna be a hopefully good video for you guys. I'm gonna literally pretend to do what I did when I didn't have screen time. All right, I'm gonna go in replay mode over here. Okay, right here. All right. This is gonna be all acting. Ready? Watch what I'm gonna do. All right. I think the market's bullish here. I'm gonna try to buy. Probably gonna go down here. Never mind. Okay, we see some green candles. We see a nice order block here. I'm actually gonna buy again. Should go up to like these equal highs here. Or this order block. Keep in mind I'm not checking any of the other time frames. Let me play a few candles. Damn it, dude. Okay, the market's probably bearish now. I'm gonna get out of this and reverse my position, and I'm gonna take a sell here. Okay, I'm gonna buy there. Okay, we just hit low day again. Oh my god, why didn't I hold that? Come on. All right, let's see this. All right, let me try one more chase here. More chase. Let's go. Boom. All right, get out of there. And I got a really bad exit at that. All right, we see an inverse here. All right, I'm gonna buy here. Play candle. Ooh, don't like that candle. I'm gonna get out. All right, play still kind of valid. I'm gonna get back in here. So, all right, see what I'm doing, guys. All right, hopefully this is gonna make sense to you. But what I did here was I would understand ICT concepts, okay, but I didn't have the screen time, so I'd see an order block here. I'd see fair value gap. I've had some good plays, okay. I would have some good plays. Like again, you can see me. I shorted and then I covered a low day. And it was after like 3 times of me getting stopped out. Okay. Well, what changes when you get screen time? The thing that changes, okay, the main thing that changes is your conviction in where the market has to go. When I started doing this, okay, when I started ICT, I'd see an order block. And I'd be blind to the higher time frame. I wouldn't check the higher time frame whatsoever. I would have no idea where we are. I would have had no idea where sell side is, right? We know that in this situation, sell side was this gray line. But the old me, I never would have known that because I didn't check the higher time frame. I didn't really. I thought 1 minute displacement with fair value gap was good enough for me, or 1 minute order block. So what I do is I literally buy these order blocks because I heard ICT and I see ICT up buying at these order blocks. But the problem is without the screen time, I don't have the conviction to know where the market's going to go next because I haven't seen it repeat. Okay, and that's the big difference. I needed to see the stuff repeat for me to have conviction in these plays. So what I did is I bought the order block. We kind of dump a little bit, and I'd reverse position, and I'd be like, all right, I'm getting stopped out. Going to try this. Maybe we go to these equal highs, and then after stopping out 7 times, I'd be like, oh, we have sell side here in the lower time frame, and then I tried short again, and I'm like, oh, maybe we'll take out these equal highs before. And that was the big thing that kind of ruined me, and just I stopped out so much, and I just kept reversing position. there's a screenshot somewhere. I don't even know what happened to it, but I literally tried reversing position 50 million times, and because I kept seeing all these little things, and eventually what happened was I started seeing these setups so many times. Like today, for example, literally in my live stream today, the first thing I said when I got on my live stream was, I want sell side. Okay. Why did I say that? Well, I've seen this repeat so many times. I saw this SMT. Hey, this was basically an SMT with a S, and I saw how one hit the high and one didn't. So I saw this SMT, and I was like, okay, we're gonna go to sell side. I've seen this before. Versus the old me, this is a new territory to me. I would have not had any clue we're gonna go to sell side here because I just hadn't had the screen time. But now that I've had the screen time, it's like, okay, I have a lot of conviction we're gonna dump to at least here because I've seen it so many times. And that's the importance of screen time, because if you have that conviction we're gonna go hit this low, you're gonna take place and you'll be like, all right, I'm holding, I'm not gonna keep reversing position, whatever it may be, and you're finally gonna get in. Okay. And that's the main difference. Same thing with like an inverse like this. This is the play alert in front of 300 people or 370 people today were watching me when I alerted this long. And why am I not nervous to alert this in front of 370 people, almost 400 people? Well, it's because I've seen it play out so many times. Versus the old me would have probably gotten in, got stopped out on this wicket, be like, yeah, I don't know if it's going to work. I don't have conviction in it. And the play would have hit and I would have been mad. The new me, because I've seen this work out so many times, I know where to put the stop. I know where if it goes here, it's going to fail. I know where we're likely to hit after, and I'm going to hold to that level. The other thing that was wrong in me is I would never hold to levels that ICT said to hold to. I'd never hold to a high day. I'd never hold to a low day because I hadn't seen the market do that enough times to where I had conviction into holding 50% longer than I usually do until the high day. I just scalp like an internal high or whatever. And half the time I would just sell in a green candle, which is not good. But without that screen time and me not seeing those setups repeat, I had no idea what I was doing. I was just buying order blocks. I was buying fair value gaps. I definitely understood the thing about hitting lows and then getting a fair value gap and displacement to go back up. I understood that, but my conviction just wasn't there because I hadn't seen it repeat that many times. And it's just, it took me about 6 or 7 months to, okay, I see this repeat so much. I've seen this repeat 50 million times. I know this is going to work. Okay, and that's the big difference. And that's why you should not get discouraged, because if you're, even like people, I know some people 3 or 4 months in and they don't have a great memory, so they won't remember these setups. But I guarantee you, like within a few more months, 3 or 4 months, you're going to start seeing the same setups repeat. And then you're going to start having conviction in those exact setups instead of just, okay, ICT says there's an order block here, I'm going to buy here and just do what he says. You need to backtest it yourself and see what he says is right. Okay, that's what really changed it for me, because once I saw these are right, that's when I started doing better. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you. You could have seen when I did that acting a little earlier in the video, you kind of saw I was questioning every single play. I don't really question plays now. I have my models. I know where the stop losses go because I've done it so many times. I've backtested a lot and I let them play out. Okay, and that's the habit you guys should get into, so you don't keep reversing your position, change your mind, whatever. And there's still times I miss stuff. There's still times I miss equal highs or equal lows where we'll hit them and then we'll go the other way. Okay, but you have to be very cognizant of everything on the chart. You should do some markups, look for all the equal highs, equal lows on the chart when you first get on for the day, stuff like that. And you'll definitely, doing that will just help you so much with your screen time. So again, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're discouraged, just think about what happened to me, okay? It literally took me 6 months of learning ICT to finally have the conviction in these setups he was talking about, because I had to see them so many times. But yeah, hopefully this video helps you guys a little bit, and let me know if you have any questions in my Discord, okay? I'm always there. You can just ask me in trading chat, all right? So yeah, other than that, have a good morning, evening, night, wherever you live, and peace out.